What up, what up, what up? Good morning. Let's get this show on the road. So it's about to be market open here. Okay, so we got to give the market a few minutes to do its thing. Let me see if there's anything that'll fuck up my vibe. No, nothing. Let's take a look at the 30-minute real quick. Still nothing. On the 15. nothing. Okay. Okay, so market open. Everything is popping over here. So everything is bullish right here. We need to break above that pivot point. We're above the 200, and here we're above the 200. So obviously we're gonna go long here. If price action holds, that's the thing. If price action holds, if it wants to hold. So we're gonna allow this to develop here. Okay, we're gonna watch price action here. Let me see. Turn on the parabolic SAR. We got some nice bullish momentum. I don't want to chase this candle though, so I gotta wait and see what happens here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a position here. Okay, let's move up my stop a bit. Right over here, and we're gonna watch price action to see how it reacts. So this is my original TP right here. I want to see what price action does here. We have a lot of momentum to the upside. So we're gonna watch this candle. So we have a break above the 200 on the 2-minute, and we have a break above the 200 on the 5-minute. Everything is giving me bullish, so let's see if I can ride this momentum up to this pivot point. Maybe, who knows? We'll see. We'll see what happens here. So we're getting some nice momentum up. Let's move my stop loss up a little bit more. I don't want to completely choke my trade. What's up, Mark? Good morning, bro. We're right here trying to take this bullish momentum to the upside on the Russell. Uh-oh. That's not good. Holy shit, that's a big ass wick, bro. They move up my stop loss. Damn, what a massive wick, bro. Dude, the market has just been fucking insane, bro. Insane. All right, so let's try this again. We're going to see if it can come up to the upside over here. I'm going to move my stop loss up more. We're going to put it below that wick over here, and we're going to see if it can take off. Again, we're just capturing this momentum to the upside. So I have enough breathing room here that I can allow the trade to develop. All my indicators are to the upside. We are a little bit overbought. I just want to see what happens here. It's struggling up here in this area. I don't like that. It's already twice that it's struggled. This does not look good. I might get stopped out. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. So price is moving on up. Yeah, it's struggling right here in this area, and it's making me feel uncomfortable. I don't like that. But we're going to keep on holding. We're going to keep on holding. Rejection on pre-market highs. It's probably doing the same thing on M2K. Well, I actually have my take profit above market high over here on pre-market. Let's see if it can go. I think I'm gonna move my stop loss even tighter, probably up here, to the pivot point. So I have my stop loss tighter. Now we're gonna wait and see if it wants to hit TP. Watching price action develop. So it's popping off over here. It's popping off. Let me move up my stop loss more. Let's see, what do I want to do? I can put it a break even. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna move my stop loss at right here. We're in profit. Play is developing nice. We're gonna keep up moving that take profit. Let's move that stop loss right underneath the wick over here. I want to see if I can run this shit, bro. Up 315. Nice. 328. 346. We're gonna take that. 342 bucks. Let's go. Ride that momentum up to the upside, bro. That's how you do it, baby. So we're up $342 on the day. Perfect. Original take profit was right over here. Ran up, wanted to see if it could run up. It did just that. I'll take 342 all day, every day. So basically, at market open, we have our indicators all green to the upside, RSI to the upside. We broke above the 200. We broke above the pivot level. We held on the pivot level. Everything is telling me to hold. So I just waited patiently for the play to develop. As long as you have your conviction, as long as you have, like, your strategy, your conviction, and all your indicators in your favor, then you're good to go. Your money. So that's what happened. Plus, we have a confirmation on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, we have confirmation to the upside as well. Both MACDs coming up, RSI coming up, all money, baby. So, yep, that's how you do it. Damn, I got this win and I got my payout this morning. Let's go. Let's go for money. So let's take a look. They ended up hitting the pivot point. So let's take a look. What is the NASDAQ doing? Whoops, right over here. What is the NASDAQ doing? Popping off. That's a nice little play up. How many points is that? What was it, like 70, 80 points? 70-point candle right over here to the upside. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. So what is the Dow Jones doing? Just curious. To the upside as well. Looks like the market is moving. Everything is moving to the upside. It's a wonderful, beautiful day to trade. A wonderful, beautiful day to trade. It's a very easy day to trade with momentum as long as you give your positions like decent breathing room, your money. Man, that's pretty much it, bro. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'll fucking take that shit. Okay. All right. I think I'm done. The longer I have my laptop open, the more I want to trade. So that's why I got to destroy all vices right now. All right, y'all. Fast trading day. Peace out.